If you want to stop the auto-renewal feature for your SHEIN subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure you won't be charged unexpectedly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SHEIN website or open the SHEIN app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section of the website or app. Step 3. Find subscription options. Look for a section labeled subscriptions or membership within your account settings. This is where you can manage your subscription preferences. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. In the subscription options, locate the auto-renewal setting. Toggle it off or select the option to cancel auto-renewal to prevent future charges. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling auto-renewal, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your auto-renewal has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can effectively stop the auto-renewal feature for your SHEIN subscription. Always remember to check your account periodically to ensure your preferences are up to date.